Dreamwings.
There was a magical forest where the trees whispered in the moonlight and the fairies' laughter floated in the air. This forest was always full of magic. Every tree and every leaf was filled with enchantment. In the middle of the forest was a magical valley where hundreds of fairies lived. The glow of their wings was so bright that it lit up the darkness of night. But one day, something strange happened. Fairies started to disappear, and a strange silence spread through the forest. All the fairies felt the change, and fear could be seen in their eyes. The youngest fairy, Leora, who was always cheerful, saw a strange light one night. The light was coming from an old oak tree at the far edge of the forest. When she got closer, she saw the shadow of a dark wizard. The wizard was standing in deep darkness, holding a golden orb that was shining brightly. Leora felt a wave of fear. "What is this?" she whispered to herself. She quickly went to Queen Seraphina, the most powerful and magical being in the forest. The queen spoke sadly, "This wizard is from the Forgotten Land. Long ago, he tried to steal the magic from our home. Now he has returned, and with that golden orb, he is trapping our fairies." Queen Seraphina told her there was only one way to stop him. "We must gather all the forest's power, and you, Leora, must defeat the wizard." Leora took a deep breath and gathered her strength. She pulled all the forest's energy into herself, then went to the oak tree where the wizard was waiting. His eyes were cold and full of hatred, and the golden orb in his hand glowed with dangerous magic. Leora took another deep breath and let the forest's power fill her completely. With a flutter of her wings, she rushed toward the orb and gave it a powerful push. The orb flashed with light, then shattered, and the wizard's form disappeared into nothing. The forest came alive again. The fairies returned, their glowing wings filling the forest with light once more. The air was filled with sweet scents and bright colors. The forest became magical again, but the memory remained that even in a place full of beauty and magic, danger can appear. And yet, with love and courage, even the darkest enemy can be defeated.